Hey Misfits, Tony Craft here. Today I'm doing another video with an Etsy seller. They sent me a DIY kit and I'm gonna open it up, show you guys what's inside and see if I can make it and see how easy it is. So today's box is from Crochet Cadeaux and they're in Brooklyn, New York. It came in this cute little pink box. I'm guessing she doesn't always send them in these fancy boxes because this is like a reusable one. We've got the pattern here. It's pretty thick. We'll have to test out my crochet skills in this video. So this is a Harry Potter crochet pattern. It's a little Harry Potter doll. I think these dolls are called origami when they're crocheted. Origami, I think that's right. And she's included everything I need, including stuffing, yarn, a cup more yarn, all the colors, oh, and even a crochet needle, which I brought mine down, so I guess I won't need that. Some little safety eyes, a sewing needle, and more thread. So this is everything you need. And she also sent me a little letter that just says, I hope you have a lot of fun putting it together, so on and so forth. And then it goes on to list her social media, which I will of course put in the description. Please go check out her shop. She has some really cute stuff. All right, so let's get started. First of all the stuff that came in the box was high quality and there was plenty of it to finish the project. I would say this kit is for someone who is an intermediate crocheter, maybe someone who has done origami before. I would not say that this kit is for a brand new crocheter or someone who has never done origami before. I've been crocheting for probably 20 years, but I've only ever done blankets, so this was all new to me. So the project starts with a pretty simple magic circle, which I had to look up, and a bunch of working in rounds. You increase your stitch to make it bigger and eventually decreasing to start bringing that circle back in, which is supposed to make the sphere for the head. Mine came out a little UFO shaped, but in the end it ended up working out. I moved on after the head to start making all the little pieces. Here's the legs, arms. And getting to this point really threw me for a loop. Trying to basically create the pants out of the two legs, which you see here. I eventually did get it though. And I was very happy to get to the scarf piece of this because I know how to make scarves. So I figured I could make a mini one. And there it is. So then it came time to putting it all together. Here's my little pumpkin head of a Harry. And all in all, this project was difficult. And I thought I had messed it up from the beginning, but I think the final product ended up looking pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I think this was a really cool DIY kit box. If you like what I'm doing here, please hit subscribe and like, and feel free to comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to talk to you, happy to comment back. Thank you so much.